Hello everyone. In this video lecture, I will see very frequently used terms, numbers, ratio, fractions, and percentages. So basically, we need to be very aware of the very familiar numbers, which we'll definitely find in DI questions and arithmetic in the quant sections. Okay, so let's start. uh, we mention ratio in this section. Ratio converted to to percentages, sorry, percentage. So let's start from the very basics. What is 1? If a ratio is given 1, it means it is 100%. Now how to convert a ratio into percent? Ratio to percentage is converted just by multiplication of 100. If you multiply any ratio to 100, you'll get the percentages, and if a percentage is given and you need to go back to ratio, okay, uh, then you need to divide it by 100. Very simple, you need to divide it by 100. So 1 equals to 100%. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 equals to 50%. Similarly, 1 by 3 equals to 33.33%. 1 by 4 would be equal to 25. 1 by 5 would be equal to 20. 1 by 6, what would be 1 by 6 equals to? It is nothing but 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. See, we can write 1 by 3 into 2. So what is 1 by 3? 13.33, and again we divide 13.33 by 2. It would be 16.66%. Now 1 by 7, 1 by 7 equals to 14.28. You need to remember these significant numbers. You'll get numerous of the questions in DI and arithmetic, and you'll use it at numerous places. Now 1 by 8, 1 by 8 equals to 12.5%. Similarly, 1 by 9 equals to how much? 11.11. 1 by 10 is 10%. Okay, now 1 by 11 equals to 9.09%, of course. 1 by 12 is nothing but 1 by 4 into 3, that equals to 8.33%. 1 by 13 equals to 7.69. You need to remember these numbers. With practice, you'll definitely be able to remember these numbers, and which you'll be frequently using it. 1 by 14 is 7.14. 1 by 15 is 6.67. 1 by 16, see 1 by 16, how we can find it? Half of 1 by 8, that equals to 6.25%. 1 by 17, this is a prime number, so we need to remember that there is 5.88%. 1 by 18, how do we need to find 1 by 18? It is nothing but 1 by 2 into 9. Okay, so 1 by 9 is 11.11, and half of 11.11 is 5.55%. 1 by 19 equals to how much? I don't need it, but we'll try to solve. What 1 by 19 equals to? 1 by 19 equals to 5.02%. Okay, and how did I find it? It's nothing but 100 by 19. Okay, because we are converting fraction or ratio to percentages, we have to multiply it by 100, and 1 by 20 is nothing but 5%. So and we need to be very familiar with these numbers. Let it be 9.09 or 8.33, 7.69 or whatever, and we'll be frequently using these numbers throughout the DI sections, throughout the arithmetic section in quants, and with time and practice you'll be able to remember, or you'll have to remember these numbers. It's very easy and you can find it out. Okay, now let's look into find the percentages of the given ratio that we can derive from this. So let's look into how do you find the percent 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is nothing but 2 into 1 by 3, and 1 by 3 is 33.33%, that is equals to 2 into 33.33, or you call it 66.66. Okay, you don't need to remember this, though you will be able to when you practice a lot of questions. But yes, this is how we formulate, or this is how we get the given fraction into the required percentages. Similarly, if we need to find the percentages of let's suppose 2 by 6. Okay, 2 by 6 is again nothing but 2 into 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is 16.66, and 2 by into 16.66 is nothing but okay, 33.32 or whatever, 33. Yes, and let's suppose we need to find the percent for 3 by 8. 1 by 8 is how much? 3 into 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is 12.5, and this equals to 37.5%. This is how it works, and this is how we can formulate, or we can get the given fraction into the various percentages. If suppose in the question it says it is 37.5%, you will directly know that it is 3 by 8 of the given number or the given value or whatever it is. Okay, so what is 2 by 9 then? 2 by 9 is again 2 into 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is 11.11. 2 into 11.11 is 22.22%. Okay, let's suppose we need to find 2 by 14. 2 by 14 is nothing but 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is 14.28%. So this is how we'll approach fractions to the given percentages. Okay, let's suppose for the example we need to find what is it, 2 by 18, though it doesn't make much sense. It is 1 by 9, and it is again 11.11%. Okay, so yeah, this is how you'll be remembering. Let's suppose we need to find 5 by 8. 5 by 8 is nothing but 5 into 12.5, and this is 62.5%. Okay, if 62.5% is there, you need to know that it is equals to 5.5 by 8. Sorry. So yeah, that's it, and we'll be using it thoroughly throughout our preparation in DIs, in arithmetic, everywhere possible. Okay, hope this helps. Also try to find the various other fractions. Try to find it for let's suppose we need to find by 1 by 34. How much does it make it to? So what we'll do is it is 2 into 1 by 17, and 1 by 17 is 5.88. So it is nothing but 5.88 divided by 2 into percent. Make sure you have written percent over here, and this is how much? 2.94%. That's all. So and nothing else. You can find any of the fraction now. This from, if you remember the ratio or the fraction from 1 to 1 by 20, you can easily find the fraction value, or at least approximate the fraction value, unless and until the denominator is not a prime number. You won't get a question, or you will hardly get a question, okay, which is a prime number in the fraction. And if it is somewhere around 8, 11, 13, 17 or whatever, or 19 maybe. So yep, that's it, and we'll solve some of the questions in the class now, and we'll see how we can utilize it, or you can use this concept throughout the DI section, and we'll be using it many places. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.